So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video I will be reviewing this beautiful lace wig here by Beyond. The name of the wig is called Totem. It's in the color 1B, and this is a Zury cis lace wig. So this is how the wig looks. It is a nice black wig. It had lace on it, and as you can see, the lace has already been cut, and the wig has bangs on it. In the front here, this is the lace, and you can either, it has a middle part as well, 2 combs on the side, 1 comb in the back, and straps in the back. And it is a glueless wig, but you can glue it down if you choose to. See right there in the front, it's a little bit of lace where you can glue it down. So today I will be installing this wig on my mom. So let's see, this is how the wig is looking. Yeah, let's go to turn it to the side. And then just to make sure the wig is secure, I like to insert the combs back. And then I like to put the combs in on the side. Make sure that's nice and straight. So this looks so nice. And it looks so natural. I really like that about this wig, and I love the bangs. And the wig comes in all colors. It comes in that ginger color that they were advertising on the box, 1B and number 2, and some other colors as well. And we purchased this wig at our local supply. And look at this, look how nice this wig looks. Like, it's so nice and soft. I love the bangs. You can put the bangs in the face, or you can put them to the side. The hair is nice and soft, not very much shade. I like how it has a middle part. See the middle part there? So yeah, this was the color that they were advertising here. It comes in a ginger color, and then it comes in, a 1B, it comes in a number 2, a 613, a FS 1B30, FS 27, 430, SOMRT 2730, SOMRT Burgundy. It comes to Burgundy, the SOMRT Chestnut, and the SOMRT Ginger, which is the one they're advertising here. So as you can see, Mommy is wearing the B color, and yeah, this is how the wig looks. Nice and soft, and I sprayed a little bit of Cream of Nature hairspray on it to make it smell good and hold it as well. This is how it looks from the side. This is how it looks from the back. I also use a wax stick on it because the hair might stick up just a little bit, but make sure it doesn't have any flyaways or doesn't stick up. I use a wax stick. So this is now the end of this Zury cis lace front wig. And the name Totem in the color 1B. If you like this video, don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you soon. Bye. Bye.
Another one.
Short pixie wig from Amazon on my mom. So this wig is in the color 1B. It has 1 comb in the front, and it has a comb in the back and 2 straps in the back. So we will be putting the wig on. Okay, so turn around. Let's put the wig on. So this is a much shorter wig. This is a nice throw on wig, very casual. It's a wig with not a lot of hair. Can you turn around some more? Oops, my foot. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so this is how the wig is looking. And you can put it behind the ears. Okay, let's turn around and look at it. Okay, this is cute. It's very nice.
Oh, baby, nah, that ain't gonna work.
It's very casual.
Where's the wig at? Where's the wig? Where's it at?
Oh,
It's cute.
yeah, it's cute for someone that, you know, just wants something simple, not a lot of hair. Just wants some short hair, really, really short hair.
No, I like it. I think it's real cute. It just needs to be in the
You can
center
fix
of my
it a little
head.
bit more. Yeah.
But it's cute. I like it. Nice little stingy wig. Just kind of,
Rough it up a little bit.
yeah.
Yeah, but
I like it.
yeah, it's
I think
okay.
it's hot.
Yeah. Yeah, and I know like some people when they wear wigs, they like it to kind of look like their natural hair. They like a really short cut wig. Honestly, someone can wear this wig and if you don't tell them it's a wig, they would probably think it's your real hair because it's so short. I know some ladies like to wear their hair this short, but this is how it looks in the back. As you can see, this is the side of the wig. And so yeah. How do you like it? Okay.
Nice.
Nice. So don't forget to comment, like, share,
I
and
think it's-
subscribe. And we'll see you soon.
I think it's professional.
Professional. Yeah, nice and
Very
professional.
professional.
Okay, bye-bye.